channel. I have two special guests today that's going to help me unbox my video. These are my two nieces. Say hey, y'all.
Hey.
This is Lila and this is Anna. So I'm really behind on my unboxing, and I want to apologize to my subscribers for me being behind, but I have a pretty good reason. I just recently had a baby and it just threw me like all behind, whatever, but I'll tell that story in another video. But anyway, today's boxes is going to be the August and September boxes. My Boxycharm. I'm going to get them to help me unbox the boxes. You ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. So let's see. You can't look, okay? You gotta grab one of them. Grab one of them. Okay, show it to the subscribers. You got it upside down. Okay, you got it backwards. So this is the Somerville Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, and this retails for $85. So on my videos I usually like to open it and try it on or whatever, so let me try it on just to see how I feel. Of course I'm going to be trying it on my skin after I wash my face. Let's see. Oh, this is the cute little bottle it comes in. You guys can see that. There we go. Let's see. Let's open it and try it out. See how it feels. So yes, this is an exfoliating cream. It's like really creamy, but I can feel the little exfoliating crystals or whatever is in there. But it's really smooth. It's nothing too harsh or anything. So it'll be pretty cool. And it feels good on my hand. So good little product to try out. What's next? Okay. Let Anna go. So what is that? Oh. Okay. You gotta show it to the camera. I'll let you open it. So this is the Hank & Henry Lip Love Luxe lipstick, and that retails for $18. Let's see, open it up. Gotta show it in the camera. Oh, look at that. That is pretty. It's like glittery. I love sparkly stuff. So let's open it. Oh, okay. So the bottle's pretty different. So you push it. Oh, you push it and it comes out. So you push this button right here and it pops out. The lipstick pops out. Cool. So chic. Oh, y'all see this? That's pretty, isn't it? This is a pretty lipstick. Look at that. You have the glitter around it. Pretty. I can't try this one on because y'all want to try it? No, y'all do. They usually don't wear makeup, but me as the auntie, I'm letting them try it on. Try it on. You got a red lipstick, girl. Look at you, girl. Pretty color. There you go. Come a little closer to the camera so I can see it. So how does it go on? Do it go on smooth?
Goes on good, but it's just.
Ooh, girl, you got it everywhere too, honey.
Did I get it
Don't
everywhere?
wipe it.
Did I get it everywhere?
You did pretty good. So it looks like it have a little shimmer in it too. So yeah,
This looks good.
pretty cool. Okay, I got to wipe that off in a little bit.
Oh, it looks good. So what else?
That's my baby in the background. So now it's my turn to pick out something. Let's see. Oh, okay. $1 billion beauty sponge.
Yeah, that
So
looks
the $1 billion beauty charcoal
Oh,
beauty sponge retails for $15. And I'm going to open it and show you guys.
Hope it looks good.
So Boxycharm always gives some really good products to try.
Ooh.
So, oh cool. Oh, I think I got a little lipstick on it. So this is how the beauty sponge looks. And feels pretty good.
Yeah,
It's squishy.
does it?
And the beauty sponge, of course, you know, you wet it before you apply your makeup. So it probably expands when you wet it.
I saw that in movies.
You did.
Yep.
Alright, next product.
I go. Okay. She looks like eyeliner.
What is that? No, it's not eyeliner.
Nope.
Mascara.
Yep.
This is the Laura Geller. Let's see.
Mascara.
That's the Laura Geller Lashboss Bold Mascara in black. So that retails for $24.
Ooh, that's question mark.
Alright. Let's open this. I'm gonna try this on y'all lashes. I know y'all loving this, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Girl, you got lipstick on.
Wipe it off for a bit. Is mine? Oh yeah, you said it kind of.
You did. You did pretty good. I just kept rubbing hers.
I was like,
So this is the bottle.
it looks good and fantastic. You
This comes in my box. Let's see. You gotta keep your eyes open. Ooh, you got some pretty lashes, girl. Ooh, nice little mascara.
Aw, look.
Nice.
Yeah, she got cute lashes.
Mm-hmm. So,
How
nice
does it
mascara.
look
What y'all
like?
think?
I can't. Ooh, it looks good. I look like I drunk some blood.
Ugh. Vampire for Halloween.
The last thing in that box.
What is that? You gotta show it to him. So this is
This
the
looks
Hipdot
about there.
Zion eyeshadow palette. And that retails for $30. So open it up. So stay right there and open it up so they can see. You gotta keep it in front of the camera. So that's how it looks.
Ooh.
Ooh, and these are the colors. Ooh.
Ah, they all look good.
Pretty.
This
So what I can do with these is just like swatch them on my hand and just insert the picture so you guys can see like the color. And it looks really
I look
pigmented
perfecto.
and pretty cool.
Do you have
Thing was the Boxycharm Glam Vibes Only. So that is the theme.
the thing?
So all the products we showed you guys, this is the theme for it. And I already told you what it retails for. So Boxycharm remember these Boxycharm boxes, they send them to me so I can try out the product, and really good products, aren't they? Really good products.
Yes, and my lips look a vampire.
Really good high-end products that they send to try out. You can purchase this box for only $25. And all this stuff will retail over $100 some. I know. Yeah. And you get this box for $25. Think about that. Alrighty. Now, let's go to the box. You ready? You ready? You ready?
Yes.
Alrighty. The theme is spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber.
Ooh. It might be good. That sounds pretty nice. I hope it.
Alright. Let's open products. Go, Anna. So what is that? Show it. Show it. So that is the Glamglow Moisturetrip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer, and that retails for $54.
That's expensive.
So that is Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. Sounds pretty good. Let's open it.
So let's open up.
So I just try it on my hand. See how smooth and creamy it is.
I want to see how smooth and creamy it is also. Let's just do it. First.
Oh yeah. Feels, ooh, this feels good and smooth and creamy.
Can we feel it?
Let me see. Try it on your hand.
Yeah, it is smooth and creamy.
Make your hand look different.
My hand looks
really good.
different and
really
it
good moisturizer.
Smells good. It smells like a different kind of peppermint.
It do smell pretty good, huh?
It smells like peppermint.
Yeah, I like this.
Peppermint.
Can't wait to try this. Yay.
So
Okay, next.
Take this one.
Ew, I have some makeup brushes to try out. So that is the Morphe I Got This brush set. So it's an eye brush set. And it retails for $12. Cool. Girl, you got it upside down.
See?
So let's take the brushes out. See which one.
And I want to see, does it feel good or not? That looks good. It looks.
Okay, so this one is the oval shadow brush.
Ooh, and it feels good. Smooth. Good. I hope you buy one of these.
Okay, sit back. And this one is the Pro blending brush.
Ooh. Good.
Tapered mini blending brush.
Ooh, it's cute. Absolutely.
Angle liner brush.
Angle.
This is a nice angle. It's really thin too.
Yeah, you could just like do it. I don't know what that's why it's called a nice angle brush.
Nice brushes. Can't wait to try those as well.
Yeah. Maybe that was wow.
Next, what's next? Anna?
Ooh, it's a good one.
Ooh, show it.
Good.
So,
Show it to the viewers.
that's by Butter London, and that is the Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette.
Ooh.
And it retails for $28.
That looks like
Open it up.
really expensive.
And it tell you the colors on the back.
Brown, some blonde hair.
Hey baby, watching mommy. Sure. Open it. So those are the colors.
Ooh,
and they have a nice little mirror and everything. Voila. So those are the colors. Nice, nice.
Brown, black, perfect.
So I'm gonna insert the swatches on my hand or whatever, so you can see the colors and how smooth it is and all that. Okay, what's next, Lila?
That's what we'll find out. So, this is next.
What is that? Let me see.
I don't know. But it
Oh, okay.
smells good.
Realher
Realher.
Definer Brow Pencil.
Ooh.
And that retails for $16. And
That's set on your stuff below.
so this is a really thin. It's a really thin brow pencil.
Congratulations.
And it rolls up.
Up and down.
Let's see. Oh, did I just break it? Yeah, I
Ooh. This
did. Nice brown color.
So are you going to try on us now?
It's like a dark brown.
So you should try on us.
You don't need no brows.
No.
You have full brows.
Don't. Oh, next.
What else?
Me. Oh, no.
So this is the last product in here to try. Okay, a little close. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. And that retails for $20. So it's the fiber brow gel. It has a little fibers in there to make your brows look full.
Ooh, I want to see what it's like.
It comes in this cute little brush. That's cute. Let's see.
This is how it looks supposed to be. Are you supposed to put it right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. But that's how it is. It just fills your brows in, gives it a fuller look.
I look like a man. I am not a man. I think I'm fine.
So yeah, that's just how it looks. We're gonna take it back off.
Yeah, sure we are.
Okay, so that's it, y'all. That's it for the boxes.
And these does look good.
So really, really nice products. All high-end products. And of course, I told you what all they retail for, so you know this box is like over $100 some. And you only get it for $25 each month. You cannot beat that. So hit up Boxycharm, y'all. And I'll make sure I put my link in the description so you can click on it, so you can subscribe if you're interested in subscribing or whatever. So click on that link. So, what do you guys think?
I think we
You like the
look
products?
ugly. Yes. We do. It's just that I think I look uglier.
Oh, girl, you're looking at your eyebrow.
So, I hope you like this video. Give it a huge thumbs up.
So yeah, and if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and check out Boxycharm, because you cannot beat it. You cannot beat it. So yeah, be blessed. Bye.